Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening out there in Facebook land to everybody who's watching this video. This video is going to be a little bit more sophisticated because it's talking about some of the technical elements in improving your sales process. What I'm talking about here is the sales black hole. And you're wondering, well, Claude, what's the sales black hole? Let me tell you. When I first got into sales all those years ago, I started to listen and observe all the best salesmen in the world. Brian Tracy, Zig Ziglar, Tom Hopkins, Grant Cardone. And as I'm observing all of these sales masters, I start to dabble with my scripts, of course, that I'm working on. And at the time I was doing actually B2C sales over the telephone. And I was working on these scripts on a day in, day out basis, listening to all of these geniuses every day. And this is a good thing, right? Wrong. This is not a good thing. So I'm in there and I'm studying the greats and I'm changing my sales script and my sales are not going anywhere. I'm not getting any better. And it wasn't until I started to examine specifically the minute adjustments, giving them sufficient time through trial and error, that I actually start to improve. So if you're gonna change 3 words in your sales introduction, you need to stick to that change at least 50 to 100 times. If you're gonna make a change to your sales closure and you're gonna change a few ways you're closing, you need to try each one of those methods at least 50 to 100 times and track the results very closely. As salespeople, we're not naturally good at focusing on details. We're scatterbrained. We're all over the place. We can barely focus on anything, but we've got to focus on this specific aspect. I understand it's hard for you guys to even focus on this video if you're a good enough salesman. And it's going to be a challenge for you, but it's something I want you to take on because it's super important to you and your success is super important to me. And don't worry why. You're important to me, yes. It's my dirty little secret. If you haven't subscribed to this channel below, please feel free to push that button down there. I want to wish you guys a terrific afternoon, morning, evening, and my name's Claude Massey. Take care.